Hey guys, how's everyone today? So I just wanted to share with you a project that I'm going to be doing. I'm really excited about this. A little touch. I think it's going to look really good. It's got to kind of carry off of this, the black chrome A-spec emblems that I put on this car. I want to install something in the grille here. I've seen some of you guys do this before. Gives that a little touch, more of that Type S look. But I want to install a A-spec emblem right in here. But I just didn't want to take the plain chrome emblem and put here. As you guys know, I'm trying to darken all the chrome on this car. So let me show you what I just picked up. And it's awesome. I think you guys would really like it. It's amazing quality and will really set your car apart. So let me go ahead and show you what I just picked up. So guys, check this out. This is another great product from deepbluechromeLLC. If you remember, I got the center caps from them. They do awesome quality work. I can't say that enough. If you guys really want to change your look, definitely check them out. Like I said, I didn't want to get a black chrome emblem. Those things are really expensive because they only sell them by the set of 3. And I want something to flow with the black grille more. So let me go ahead and open this up and I'll show you what it looks like. So check that out. Like I said, the quality is superb on these. I can't even explain it really, but they put 3M tape on this. I'm not going to use that though because I'm going to get some kind of mount to stick it on here. But that's kind of how it's going to look. Has that dark look, but it's not just painted black. It has that carbon fiber look to it. Even has a nice little texture. And they do any kind of colors you want. If you want this red and black carbon fiber, they can do that too. So if you can see, real similar. Has the dark look. I'll drop a link in the description, guys, to their website. Definitely check them out. Like I said, they can do any colors. So if you're doing a certain color combo on your ride, they can do that for you too. Like I just wanted the basic black and gray here, carbon fiber. That's what they did. But I mean, awesome quality. They only use OEM emblems. So it's going to be perfect. It's nothing cheap. Aftermarket stuff here. Really nice. Now I got to find some type of bracket that I'm going to use to adhere it to the front of the car. I'll be doing a video in there shortly when I get around to that. But I just wanted to share with you the great quality. Like I said, check them out. You guys will be impressed. They'll do center caps, emblems, whatever you guys have. Like I said, you can do all the colors you want. They can customize it. So really something to set your car apart. So again, check them out in the description. See what you guys can come up with. It's those little touches, I think, that really makes a difference. So I appreciate it, guys. Hope everyone's doing good out there. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. I'll have videos coming up shortly. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody.